From watching the famous alien cartoon series Ben 10 to fantasizing about the ever-animated movies Alien 1979 or Covenant 2017, we all have been curious to know about those anonymous creatures. While never being in contact with extraterrestrial species, the question mainly arises, do aliens even exist? Just like the existence of a perfect life partner is questioned. Well, yes, aliens exist. As humans inhabit Earth, so scientists have hinted that some highly advanced species exist on other planets. But they have speculated curiosity in the humans, especially space lovers, and let everyone question why aliens don't visit Earth. The answer needs a lot of research. Even scientists have to visit other planets to find out the exact answer. However, in this video, we are spinning beans on some crucial facts about aliens' lack of interpretation of Earth. Number 1. Intelligent aliens might have visited our Earth. According to Michael Hart, more than 10 million years ago, perhaps our Earth was already visited by intelligent aliens. If this is true, their visits might be in the era of the Jurassic world. Otherwise, why would they have not visited now? Either this species does not possess the advanced resources, or there are too few intelligent aliens to visit the Earth. Hart also gives another hypothesis about the lack of visits by aliens. Perhaps they have already visited the Earth and we can't get signals from them because maybe technological advancements were not enough to trace aliens on Earth. As you already know, space is difficult to travel, and humans put maximum effort into travelling outside of Earth. Also, this explains why they aren't contacting people on Earth. Maybe they are physically infeasible to come here. Or another reason, maybe that they simply don't want to leave their planets, just as we can't leave Earth and start a good life on other planets. Number 2. The Earth has nothing special to offer aliens. You see, we are advancing in technology much more than we were before, but still this advancement is not enough to cater to the needs of any alien. They are a lot more technical than us, and there is no specific information they need from us. Of course, aliens will never be going to visit us to taste Domino's pizza or KFC chicken. They need much more knowledge than us. And now Earth can't offer anything unique or valuable to aliens. According to Newton's law, for every action there is always an equal but opposite reaction. Number 3. Earth is not putting efforts in the right direction to get any signals. If we compare our Earth system to that it was 100 years ago, we can observe some noticeable advancements. The invention of the electron microscope and telescope leaves not much hidden. The telescope built at Jodrell Bank Observatory is much more advanced than before. The presence of extraterrestrial civilizations is now detected through high-level radio wave techniques. If there would be any civilizations out there with the same technology, they would surely send us signals or any other thing through which we can detect their presence. But still, no response from outer planets. This unresponsiveness hit at the fact that either we are not using the right technology or in the right direction. Maybe the aliens are employing something we haven't yet discovered, like the vibrations of those hypothesized cosmic threads to relay signals. Or is it improbable that we miss something that powerful? Whenever their frequencies match ours, we will surely receive signals from aliens. Number 4. Signals from aliens might take a long time to reach Earth. The Fermi paradox theory was described by sci-fi writer Sir Arthur C. Clarke, who formulated that there are two possibilities. Either we are alone in this universe, or we are not alone. And both facts are terrific. Considering the second possibility, Arthur's formulation hints that some extraterrestrial civilizations exist. Moreover, NASA has reported the discovery of 4,000 more planets in the past 2 decades that tell us the enormous distance between Earth and the civilization of other planets. If any alien had sent any signal or message, it would ultimately take more than 1,000 years to reach Earth. Humanity may expire or the world would run out of population. Number 5. Humans go unnoticed by aliens. Have you ever tried to keep in contact with cockroaches, unless they mess with your food? Even living on the same planet, we dare not to mess with these little creations as they are useless to us. But a zoologist will surely consider catching cockroaches and researching them. The same goes for aliens and us. Probably humans are not beneficial to aliens, so they had never considered contacting us. As sci-fi movies suggest, aliens are 1,000,000 times more advanced than humans, so we go unnoticed by them. Number 6. The long distance between alien planets and Earth is another obstacle. Science already tells us that our universe is a giant ocean holding different galaxies and Milky Ways. Even the distance between the Sun and the Earth is 151.6 million kilometres, and that's still within the universe. Can you imagine the time and assets it would cost us to reach near the Sun as human beings, a sensitive creation? It seems impossible, although physics and chemistry have evolved much to travel out of Earth. Millions of stars are 25,000 light years away from Earth, although scientists can send radio waves at the speed of light. But sending any physical mass is a real problem. Stephen Hawking, the well-known English theoretical physicist, has tried to send a solar sail in the solar system. The solar sail is a sheet in the middle of the universe and can send signals in the solar system at the fifth of the speed of light. But that still has to travel 100 years to cover 20 light years away from a planet. It can take a lot of effort and resources, and in the days of the economic crisis in the whole world, it nowhere seems possible. Whether they are humans or aliens, the distance is the same for both. Number 7. Our language barriers. Ever tried to understand dancing whales while sitting on the ocean shore? You can only understand their movements. That's where we are lacking much. We can even figure out their singing signs or when they are speaking with each other. Above all, we humans also know a few languages, and there is a lot of communication between people of different subcontinents but on the same planet. So how can we figure out the communication of aliens from other planets? How do aliens try to transfer their feelings? This is the matter of greatest implication and needs some serious efforts. Still, we are lacking enough to overcome this gap. What if they tried to contact us and we could not understand their signals? Who knows? Number 8. Aliens are not interested in combative species. Humans are aggressive. This is a fact we can't ignore. There is a great history of wars between humans, and due to which we have lost unrecoverable resources too. Then, according to Hart's observations, if aliens visited Earth back in Jurassic time, they have grasped this reality that human conflicts can put their planets into great disaster, as every Earth war has resulted in the loss of its natural beauty. Although there might be combative aliens, they always have to find interstellar war in other species, not between themselves. However, we have never seen any history of wars between aliens. We primarily assume that they are a peaceful extraterrestrial civilization. So, why did they ever try to contact us? In fact, humans are also bad slaves and incapable of any well-being to the extra-advanced aliens. On Earth too, human labour is going to become obsolete due to technological advancement. Plus, human labour is less efficient than AI robots and machinery systems. As a result of our bad slavery, aliens have no interest in contacting us, so any invasion will result in conflict and destruction. So there is no cause for their visit to Earth or extended relationship with us. Ultimately, it can result in profitable business partnerships and bitter rivalry simultaneously, and we can never figure out the outcome. So it's better to let it be as it is. But if you asked, will they ever visit Earth? Probably they will never be, dependent on the present evidence, and you just have to keep waiting for their arrival on Earth.